I've got the controller plugged into the wall, just fresh out of the package. This is how you are going to see it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick other networks. I'm going to scroll it down to WLED AP. This is what we want to connect to. The password is WLED 1234. Perfect. And then it's going to bring you up to this window here. Now we can do one or two things. We can go ahead and set it up on our Wi-Fi, or we can just go straight to the controls. I'm going to go ahead and set it up on my Wi-Fi since that's when I'm going to use it. So we're going to go to the Wi-Fi settings. All right, my network, we can scan it. And we're going to find my network on here, and it's going to be the hoof-arted 5G. The network password is what we put in there. Now I want to make my IP a certain IP address because I want it to go right in line with all my other devices. So this one's IP address is going to be 192.168.1.217. And my gateway is going to be 192.168.1.1. The name of this one, this is going to be Blitzen. Because I name them after all of the tiny reindeer. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and this is Blitzen. Okay, so that looks good. We've got all that. Now, the Ethernet type, we are going to use it because it's going to be use it as the Ethernet. Now scroll down here. I'm going to now save and connect. I'm going to save and connect. Okay, now it's going to ask me to connect to the new IP. So we're going to close this out. I'm going to go up to my wireless. I'm going to connect back to my wireless. And we can connect it two ways. One, we can go into our Chrome here. We can type in the address 192.168.1.1.217. It's going to pull that up. Or if you have the app, you can pull up the WLED native app. And that's going to pull up all your WLED devices that are online. And this is a great, great app. And here it is right there, Blitzen 217. So we're going to continue in the browser version of this. I'm going to go ahead and go over to my configure. All right. And since we're at 217, we're going to go ahead and configure this at the same time. We're going to configure our lights and xLights. I pull up xLights. I'm going to add Ethernet. Okay. And this is going to be named Blitzen. And this is going to be, the vendor is WLED. The model is WLED. And this is going to be an ESP32. The address is going to be 192.168.1.217. All right. And it's going to be DDP. All right. I want the ID number to be 8. Because I want that to be right in line with everything else. Okay. There's that. And let's scroll back over here so we can hit it. We're going to go ahead and hit save. We're going to move Blitzen up to 8. Hit save. And there is Blitzen right there. Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. And there's Rudolph. Okay, now we got Blitzen. We're going to now assign the mega tree, which is this one, to its ports. It's going to be 8 ports. There are 150 lights each. Okay? And here's how we're going to do this. We're going to now open up our Chrome, and we're going to go back into our settings. And we are going to see that port 1 is 150. And according to the layout on the controller, it will tell you the data outputs on here. And it says that GPIO 1 is 1, GPIO 2, GPIO 3, 4, and 5 are correct. 12, 14, and 15. So, GPIO 1 is going to be on 1. We're going to add GPIO, be 150. And this is going to come out of GPIO 2. We're going to add 150. This can be out of GPIO 3. We're going to add 150. This is GPIO 4. We're going to add 150. This is going to be GPIO 5. Okay, now here's where we're going to make the jump. Add 150. This can be GPIO 12. Because that's what it says on the controller. On the top of it is the GPIO outs. Okay? This is going to be 150. GPIO 14. The last but not least, 150. GPIO 15. Okay? All the GPIOs are set. We're going to do a brightness limiter of 40,000 milliamps, which is 40 amps, which is what the max the board can do. So no matter what, we can never go above the max of the board. Okay? Scroll all the way down. Let's just make sure we have everything correct. It's great. Come up here, hit save. Now the board is, the controller is configured for this many outputs on these ports. So now when xLights talks to this controller, it will talk to Blitzen, and it will say, Blitzen, out of port 1, you're going to control this tree at 150 pixels. And we've told in our configuration here that out of port 1, you are going to have 150 pixels out of GPIO 1. All right? So that's saved. Let's go back. That's great. Go in here. We're going to save. There is our control setup. You see here I have other controllers that controls my matrices. This one controls some of my candy canes and things like that. Those are all controlled into WLED. Same setup.